Alright, so some of you guys were asking for a quick step-by-step for how to set up one of the OpenMANET nodes. So let's do that real quick. I have a Raspberry Pi 4 here with a Seed Studio PCIe hat and a Wi-Fi Halo card. And then just a crappy little 32 gigabyte micro SD I got from Micro Center. Come to the OpenMANET docs on GitHub for the initial setup, where you can get the release of the OS. Just download it there. Then using the Raspberry Pi imager, flash it to your SD card. Get the SD card plugged into your Raspberry Pi, and get your antenna installed and plugged into the Wi-Fi Halo hat. Get a network cable attached to the Pi's Ethernet for the initial setup, and attach your power. As of this video, the default IP address for your Raspberry Pi node is going to be 1042.0.1, and it'll bring up the admin console where the default login is root and a blank password. And then you can go through the setup wizard to assign the role of your node and any other specific configurations for your current mesh. I'm naming mine T, TAC P4, TAC MP, TAC 02. I'm going to configure it as a mesh point with this radio button here. I'm going to join it to my home mesh using the mesh ID and the passphrase, and then I'm going to make sure that my bandwidth and channel are set to what I'm using for the rest of the mesh. When you're done going through the wizard and reviewing your topology here, just click apply, and it will apply your settings. Make sure you copy the new IP address so you can get back to your node, or you can even use the host name that you set earlier. And if I come back to my gateway node, I can see that I have two devices here. This one is the one that was in the previous video, and this is the new one that was just set up.